Much of Poland experienced unstable weather conditions, with thunderstorms accompanied by heavy rain and strong winds. The most severe weather situation occurred in the Podlaskie region, specifically in Sokółka, where torrential rain and hail were reported.
Nie wiem.
The storms began in the morning and intensified as the day progressed. The Institute of Meteorology and Water Management issued severe weather alerts, while messages from the RCB warning system were activated in the Malopolska and Podkarpacie regions. Images and videos circulated on social media showing hail in Sokółka, the town of Drahle, and other areas such as Bogus and Sampoła in Warmia and Missouri. The day began with clear skies in several regions, but during the afternoon, dense clouds covered parts of the country. The storms caused accumulations of hail of several centimeters, heavy rain, and gusty winds that hampered visibility and traffic. The Podlaskie region was one of the hardest hit.
Nie wiem.
In Sokółka, the amount of rainfall reached significant levels, reaching up to half the height of an average car. The wind toppled trees and branches, obstructing streets and roads. Hail covered yards and open areas, severely affecting visibility. The Sokółka Fire Department reported around 70 interventions, mainly on Białostocka Street, Kolejowa Street, Listopada Street, Lotniko Luniuskic Street, Kilinskiego Street, and Sigian Street. Flooding affected key locations, such as the Housing Cooperatives Distribution Center on Sikorskiego Street, the school on Mikołajczyk Street, and the hospital's electrical substation facilities. The Drahle weather station recorded 46.2 millimeters of rain in just over an hour, while in Jaloka the accumulated rainfall was 29.7 millimeters. Following the storm's passage, meteorological authorities canceled the alert for the region. Deputy Commander Dariusz Gres of the District Fire and Rescue Unit reported that the storm reached Sokółka around 3:30 p.m.
Nie wiem.
At that time, approximately 50 emergency calls were received, a number that increased in the following hours. The main incidents included flooded basements and roads blocked by fallen trees and branches. Large hail caused damage to crops and vehicles. The Institute of Meteorology and Water Management issued first-degree storm alerts for 6 voivodeships in eastern and northeastern Poland. Warmia, Missouri, Podlaskie, Mazovia, Lublin, Podkarpacie, and Lesser Poland. The warnings remained in effect until Sunday evening.
No i po kukurydzy.
High temperature warnings also continued in the southeast of the country, including the Lublin, Świętokrzyski, Lesser Poland, and Podkarpackie voivodeships, with maximum temperatures expected between 29 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Celsius.